know, Jimmy, me and your mom, we've been together a long time, and I know you're a retard and everything, but I'm just happy to get a chance to get close to you. You're such a cute little retard, boy. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, homie, play that game. Homie, play that game. Yeah, homie, play that game. Yeah, yeah, come here, you little retard. Yeah, 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 When the dead speak, when the dead speak, they say, why don't you come with me? They say, why don't you come with me? They say the dead don't speak, they say the dead don't speak. The dead don't speak. The dead don't speak. They say, why don't you take off your clothes? They said, why don't you take off your clothes? Well, the dead don't speak. 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 Well, the dead when the night closes in, when the night closes in, when the breeze is blind, when the night closes in, when the night was blind, when the night was blind, when the night was bright, when the night was pale, when the night was pale, when the night well, the night won't sleep. Well, the night won't sleep. Well, don't be my dress. Well, they don't stay. Well, they pay. Well, they give, baby, don't try. Baby, don't try. Baby, don't try. Baby,